Gemini by Childers is going to be played in standard tuning and then capoed on the first fret of the guitar. I'll speak of these frets from this point forward as though the capo is the nut and call them frets 1, 2, and 3 instead of the real frets 2, 3, and 4. For this song, you need to know 4 chords: an E major, a B7, an A major, and then there's also an F sharp minor shape that comes in there that's a bar chord. Alright, so I've based this off of what I can hear happening on the album, but also some live versions that I've seen him play. If he's playing it solo acoustic, I feel like sometimes his rhythm is a little bit different than what it is in a full band setting or on the album setting or the album version. But basically on the album, you're going to move from an E major. So the E major is an open 6 string, second finger on the 5 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 4 string 2 fret, first finger on the 3 string 1 fret, open 2, open 1 strings. And the rhythm that I'm doing here is a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. But you can see that that's what I'm emphasizing. Sometimes the space in between that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, there might still be some light ghost picking that I'm doing in a rhythm that probably honestly comes out more to just down, up, 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 down, up. But to get the emphasis correct, really what you're going for is a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. So if you listen, you should be able to hear how actually my pick is hitting the strings more often than just that down, down, up, down, up. So you can hear those light little attacks that I have in there that really are not attack at all. But point being, you're wanting to emphasize in your right hand down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And as you're doing that over the E chord, you'll be lifting your second finger off of the 5 string 2 fret and then putting it back down on the 5 string 2 fret. So kind of the down, down, and then the up, down, up part would be with your second finger off of the 5 string, and then the next down, down would be second finger down, like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Sometimes in this E chord, and I know I'm really getting lost in talking about some of the nuance and rhythm right here, but sometimes in this E chord, sometimes instead of just opening the 5 string, he'll move his second finger from the 5 string 2 fret to the 6 string 2 fret, and you get a sound and a feel more like this. So that's just down, down, up, down. first down, down, up, down. On that second down there, you're moving your second finger to the 5 string, or to the 6 string 2 fret, and then back into the E position. Alright, so with that rhythm in mind for basically the whole time, no matter what chord we're playing, it's with that feel running beneath it. We're going to move, the album version moves from the E major to an F sharp minor to an A to a B7. So the way that we'll do that is go E major, and it vamps on that for like, I think 4 counts, and then the F sharp minor will be bar with your first finger across the 2nd fret, and then ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 4 string 3 fret. I'm sorry, ring finger on the 5 string 4 fret, pinky finger on the 4 string 4 fret, with your bar grabbing everything else on the 2 fret. And you'll get a down, down, up there, and then into the A chord. The A chord will be an open 5 string, first finger barring the 2nd fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. And then you're going to go to a B7 chord. The way that you're going to play that is 2nd finger on the 5 string 2 fret, first finger on the 4 string 1 fret, ring finger on the 3 string 2 fret, open 2 string, and then your pinky finger pulled back to the 1 string 2 fret. Now, whenever you get to this B7 chord, a lot of times what you are going to hear Tyler Childers doing in almost every single B7 chord is to alternate from the 2nd finger on the 5 string 2 fret to the 6 string 2 fret, like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, and each other down, moving your 2nd finger from the 5 string 2 fret to the 6 string 2 fret. Now sometimes that may just be once before going to the next chord. Sometimes it may be about 4 times before going to the next chord, depending on how long the B7 is getting held. In the intro, a lot of times after that first B7, Tyler Childers will move with his 2nd finger to the 6 string 2 fret, pluck that, bend it, and then let it fall back into place, and then back into the E chord, so that our intro becomes the E chord, vamping on the E chord to the F minor, the F sharp minor, to the A chord, to the B7, and then back into the E, where the verse will start. Now the verse will be basically the exact same chords except for verse and chorus. We won't be using the F sharp minor again until the bridge, but so you've got the E, and then it's going to move to the A, but you're going to walk to the A by going, that's a walk going first finger to the 6 string 2 fret, ring finger to the 6 string 4 fret, and then open 5 string with your first finger bar falling into place on strings 4, 3, and 2 on the 2nd fret. So walk, A. Now sometimes in this A, you can hear Tyler Childers in live versions grab the 6 string 3 fret with his 2nd finger, leaving his first finger bar in place, and pulling that note, pulling it up, but whenever you get it to like bent up, I don't know, almost bent 1 fret up, you're not going to really release it back down. You're just going to bend it and then immediately hit the open 5 string behind it and continue your strumming pattern. All this needs to be fluid within the strumming pattern. So hear how I'm bending that and then striking the 5 string. I'm not letting the 6 string bend fall back down. I'm not going. I'm going bend, hit of the 5 string. So 6 string bend, hit 5 string. And so after this A, every time after the A, it's going to walk back down into the E chord by going back. I'm using pinky finger to the 6 string 4 fret, first finger to the 6 string 2 fret, then back into the E chord. And then, let's see, Then it's going to do the B7 thing, as we've already discussed, with the alternating second finger between the 5-string 2 fret and 6-string 2 fret. And then it goes back, I think, to like the A, and walks back down to the E. So the vast majority of this verse and chorus is cycles between E to an A, walking there, then walking back down to the E, and then throwing in a B7. So listen to the recorded version to catch how those happen. The last thing that I want to talk about is a little lick that sometimes he does in the A of the bridge, where you're going F sharp minor to the A chord to the B7. That would be F sharp minor to the A, and sometimes live he'll hit the open 5 string, hammer with the second finger to the 5 string, and this is while your first finger is in A position, barring the second fret of strings 4, 3, and 2. But you hit the open 5 string, hammer with your second finger to the 5 string 3 fret, and then either hammer with your ring finger or your pinky finger, whichever is most comfortable for you, to the 5 string 4 fret, so that you get a. And then after that last hammer on the 5 string 4 fret, you need to hit the 4 string right behind it, where your first finger is barring the 4 string 2 fret, so that you get. So the F sharp minor to the A, with that hammer, A, hammer, 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 A, hammer, hammer, pluck 4 string 2 fret. So hit, down, hammer, hammer, pluck. And then the B7. So those were the chords and the movements to Gemini by Tyler Childers. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.